feel all alone on their birthday. I think we can all agree on that. But for patients in hospitals through the pandemic, it was basically inevitable since the general policy is that no visitors were allowed. My next guest is a nurse, and she didn't want to see her patients go without feeling loved on their birthdays, so she started buying them gifts. It was a small gesture that led to a movement across Philadelphia called the We Care Project, and that's why she's a rad human. Let's welcome Kelly. Give her a hand.
Hi, Kelly.
Hi, and say hi to Duff.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
That looked delicious. That looked delicious.
Oh my God, I'm telling you.
What you just made? For
me, it was definitely that. We were talking about that Hatch chili thing. I was like, I need to get some of that. It was so good. Oh my God. But Kelly, can you explain how this all got started and what the We Care Project is all about?
So I'm a nurse at Fox Chase Cancer Center, and this started about a couple months ago, I want to say February, when a patient came in with a young patient with metastatic disease, and he was in so much pain, and it was his birthday, and he was alone due to COVID times. He couldn't have family here with him, and I just felt the need to give him something and celebrate his birthday. I didn't want him to go through, the day without celebrating. So I searched the hospital high and low, and I was able to come across volunteer services that were able to give him a blanket and a puzzle. And the reaction that he had was overwhelming. Everybody in the room got teared up, and, it seemed as if his pain was secondary, and he was so excited and happy that he received this tiny little gift that we were able to give him. And it was right then and there that I went and asked my boss if I could start this as just bringing in gifts for patients when it's their birthday. And she immediately agreed and said yes, and we'll call it the We Care Project. And I hope to continue doing this for as long as I possibly can.
Honestly, it's funny because I don't know, I can receive a lot of gifts like on tour and stuff, and people give things, but this one little kid, it's so funny. I was going to ask you if you've ever received a gift that's maybe just touched your heart in a different way. And I had this one gift. It was from a little kid, and it was a little like angel. And they were like, I just want you, I know you travel a lot and you're not at home, so I wanted you to always have an angel looking out for you. And as this little kid, and I was like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And I have it in my jewelry box. I've kept it this whole time. Because for whatever reason, this gift really struck me. And I think that happens to people. It's like someone that you don't know just thinks of you. Have you ever had that happen to you?
Yeah, I had, I got some fan mail the other day, maybe last year. And this kid drew me a llama cupcake. It's really adorable. But on the inside, it was like, go Duff, you can do it. And it's pinned in my closet. I have it right over the light switch. So every time I hit the light switch, I'm like, I can do it, And it's been there.
That's awesome.
It's really good.
It's so funny how little gifts like that you don't think can really turn somebody's day around, and it really can. But Kelly, you've been recognized nationally for your project, right?
That's correct. I work with a physician who is a head and neck surgeon, Dr. Yao, and he saw the reactions that his patients were having, and he was getting thank you letters, so he wrote a nomination for the Daisy Award, and I was lucky enough to win it.
Well, congrats on the award, and also just a big thank you to all of you nurses, doctors, everybody who's just been working their tail off this entire pandemic, also trying to do your normal, regular nursing job on top of all of that and all the protocols has been insane for y'all. So thank you so much for that.
I really appreciate you having me on the show.
No, 100%. And we love what you're doing, and we want to see you keep doing it. It's a beautiful thing what you're doing. So that's why we're just going to give you $2,500 just to help out in buying gifts for people. Does that sound all right?
Oh my God, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Oh my God, that's so awesome.
Absolutely. No, we appreciate what you're doing, and those little things, like I said, can really just turn someone's day around. So thank you so much.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Kelly.
Yep, I'm still here, just waiting for you to subscribe. If you don't, I'll be trapped in this box forever.